Good morning, everyone. So today I am out early this morning cutting my onion tops. They are getting way too big, so I just wanted to give them a nice little haircut. This is the first haircut of the season that I'm going to be doing for my onions, and instead of throwing my onion tops away, I'm going to preserve them and make onion powder. So if you have onion tops that you can go ahead on and cut off of your onions, don't throw them away, make onion powder. So I want to show you guys something. So I have been out here and I've cut these onions, but I spotted something on the plum tree. Look at what I spotted, you guys. We have a plum and it's getting nice and pretty and big. And so I'm really excited. I won't get a lot of fruit from this particular tree this year because this is the first year it fruits, but I will definitely be looking forward to a lot of fruit on it next year. Y'all, I came out here and I didn't take no medicine, but I did want to show you something. So my blackberries are starting to also flower. So I was worried about them and wasn't sure if I was going to get quite a few blackberries this year, but I should. I noticed that they started flowering, so I'm excited about that. Or the buds started coming up for them to flower, so I'm really excited about that. So I can't wait. I do want to show you guys something, and if you guys can help me, let me know. So yesterday we had another frost, and of course I did not pay attention. I did cover my peppers, but when I woke up this morning, the glasses were frosted. Okay, so this is what one of my peppers are looking like. I'm not sure what to do about this. I'm thinking if it doesn't come back, I'm just going to clip this off. I'm probably just going to clip it now. So I'm going to clip these leaves off. I feel like this frosted. I'm going to clip this, take this off. They just kind of wilted out. The rest of them are doing okay. So it's a little scary. Again, this is why you can't put stuff out too early, especially in our zone, because you just don't know when you're going to have another frost. This is one of my okras, and look at the leaves there. So I'm hoping that it gets better. The frost hit it, so there is some damage from the frost, but hopefully it's not too bad. Here are the rest of my y'all, sorry about my hair. Here's everything else. So I have some tomatoes right here, and you can see where the frost did my peppers right here. Oh my gosh, I'm hoping that some of them will live. They seem to be perking up, but I'm not sure what to do. Should I, because of the frost, you guys, should I go ahead on and I know I need to let them stay out here, you know, because the sun is out, but should I, with the peppers being hit by the frost, do I give it a dose of anything? What do I do? So if you guys know, please leave it in the comments. Let me know what to do about the frost. Because I forgot to cover this portion on my deck. I really did. I was so upset with myself. But it didn't do too bad. So let me know what you guys think. And I'll see y'all in the next one.